Hi, I'm Ylva Larsson. Imagine you suspect a hoof abscess and the farrier comes along and has to cut a lot of horn away to be able to detect where the abscess is. Or if you have problems with cracks or keratomas and you want to know exactly the location, it's not that easy, but with a machine of some kind, it's already been in use in the industry of manufacture. You can find inhomogeneities in materials. So this can also be used on horses, and it's done by heat conductivity. So where there's no heat, there's some kind of irregularity in the material. This was presented at a conference, Materials for Tomorrow, at Chalmers Technical University in Gothenburg, Sweden, and student Charlotte Lundqvist has done a study on this, and here she talks a bit more about how it works.
Look at cracks and structural abnormalities in different materials such as steel and plastic with the help of heat waves. So this probe determines the heat capacity of the hoof or of the material as a function of the depth into the material. So this has now been done on hoofs as well. First on dead hoofs, and we have seen that we can see a clear difference between a hoof, a whole hoof, and a hoof with a cavity in it. A cavity filled with air versus a cavity filled with something more highly conductive. So here is the normal hoof, and when the graph starts to go down, it means that the conductivity, thermal conductivity goes down, which means that we're heating air. Where the cavity is, we are heating air a lot sooner, and this can also be shown in the graph. And here is some aluminium foil stuffed into the cavity, and then the conductivity goes up since aluminium is more highly conductive than air or hoof material. And then it goes down when it hits air again.
Sorry about the background noise there. Charlotte Lundqvist has done this study together with quite a few other people at Chalmers Technical University in Gothenburg, Sweden, studying sports technology. And the idea is then to use a non-invasive method on horses to find the exact location of a lesion in the hoof, using technology that's already in use, actually, and that could also then be used by veterinarians and farriers.